Welcome back to part 2 of our Mr. Khaki build, Project Mr. Tan, or FDE, or Khaki. I ain't decided yet, but right now I'm going to go with Khaki. And this is part 2 of our build with our parts. We got a Ballistic Advantage barrel nut and barrel. It is 5.56 NATO. 1x7 twist, 4150 chrome moly with the gas block. That'll be our barrel assembly. Our back plate we're going to use with extra swivels there, castle nut. Our bolt is going to be an Anderson Arms bolt assembly. We're going to use a standard. This is a little bit, I don't remember the make of this, but it's one of my favorites. It's a slightly enlarged charging handle. I'm going to use our buffer spring. Oh, I gotta find my buffer now. And my we're going to use a Shockwave blade in FDE. We're going to use previous made that I used for another pistol. Anderson Arms lower assembly. We're only going to change a couple things on it. And then last but not least, the muzzle brake. For right now I'm going to use the XM177 muzzle brake that I got. I like this muzzle brake. It's a 10.5-inch barrel we're running, so the 5 inches of this muzzle brake will bring it up to 15.5, but I'm not going to pin it or weld it on. I'm just going to use it for the time being and see if I like it on this short barrel. If not, then I'll go towards something more of a traditional muzzle brake or some type of other brake at the end of it. But I'm going to try this one first and see how I like it on there. If I don't like it, then I'll change it out. But I've already had this one for a long time, so I just want to put it on something and see how it rolls. So, of course, we've got our gas tube installation kit there. And we're going to run, like I said, key mod. So I got some black key mod. Probably the last 3 that I got, and this is 2 of them. So we probably might use that one for angle foregrip, or we'll use this one for the angle foregrip I got from Tactico series, since it goes with it. So I'll probably use this one first to see how it goes. And then we're going to do some slight pistol upgrades on magazines next. We're going to run this gun with the Second Amendment, or Amendment 2 magazines, 5.56, 223, whatever you want to call it. Got the 2 there for. I've got some of these in OD green. These are made in USA. And I bought one for this build, a tan one, for this build. Since this is going to be Mr. Khaki, he's got to at least have one magazine. So this is part 2 of our video of all the parts. And we're going to start assembling it, and then maybe do a test fire Saturday or Sunday. Well, Sunday's Easter, so most likely Saturday we'll probably do it. If everything goes right and we ain't got no rain, I'll go to the outside range and we'll test fire this bad boy. And then, but you'll see part 3 when I do the complete review on it later on. All right, remember, like, subscribe to our channel. Look at our previous videos. Check out our other builds that we've done and upgrades. We're going to upgrade the M&P pistols next with a couple of things, and the SVD. Just little minor things and not really upgrade, just aesthetic upgrade. But check us out, and then make sure you join the GOA and the Second Amendment Foundation and the Firearm Policy Coalition. Those guys do great work, and they're a lot better than the NRA has ever thought about being, at least in the last 40 years. So that's what we got. If you got a ballistic barrel, it's the first time I'll be using the ballistic barrel, advanced barrels. If you've used them before, let me know. And then we'll see you guys later.